Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Dive into the world of versatile study room tables with our curated selection that combines functionality and style seamlessly. Discover the perfect Ikea study table that not only enhances your workspace but also elevates the aesthetic appeal of your study room. Whether you're a student, a remote worker, or a creative enthusiast, our channel is to go to the destination for exploring a variety of study table designs that cater to diverse needs and preferences, from compact solutions for smaller spaces to expansive options that provide ample room for work and organization. We've got you covered. The IKEA Study Table collection on our channel is a testament to thoughtful design, offering smart storage solutions and ergonomic features for an optimal study or work environment. Embrace a balance between practicality and aesthetics through the process of creating a study room that promotes focus and productivity. Step into the realm of studio living room design, where functionality meets style. Learn how to seamlessly integrate a study table into your living space, creating a harmonious blend that accommodates work, relaxation, and creativity. Join us as we explore the intersection of practical design of modern living, providing insights and inspiration to enhance your study room experience. Thanks for watching. Also, subscribe and like Interior Design channel.